it's so easy to feel like you should say yes for all the reasons, right? So anytime it's like, oh, I really should, I want you to stop. That's where you want to question, right? That's where you want to go, ooh, anytime we're doing things because we should, that's part of that burnout cycle. We're like guilting ourselves into that because how people might think, people might not like us. What will they say? What will they do? All these things versus this bigger picture of trusting. If I'm making choices and decisions from an aligned place, it's all going to work out. Spoiler alert, it's all going to work out anyway. When we make aligned choices, we're bringing those good ingredients. We're bringing something to the table that benefits everyone. So even if someone's like, oh, I'm super disappointed you didn't show, if I've made that choice from an aligned, connected place, I'm going to be able to say like, hey, I so appreciate the offer. I'd love a rain check because today just doesn't feel like the day for me, right? I'm going to say it in a nice way. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to skirt. I'm just going to be like, hey, here's the deal. I love you. And no, thank you. So they get to then be in their process. Now the gift is they get to sort through all this stuff. I don't need to take that on. If they wanted me to say yes and I didn't, and I said no from an aligned place, great. I'm in alignment. I'm good. If they have something to work out there, great. I'm not going to jump into their canoe and help them work it out.